Hello everyone, I am Saidith and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the IQ7 versus MI11X device. This is the extreme outdoor village type 4G speed test friends. So let's see which phone will be having the 4G plus aggregation support test. That is what I'm going to compare between both phones. So which has been requested by plenty of users. So that is the reason friends. Today I came to this form and I'll be able to do this kind of comparison. So previously I did a lot of comparison with the IQ7 device versus the OnePlus 9R and Realme X1 Max, and plenty of tests. I did find other smartphones that are achieving the big scores when compared with the IQ7 device, but let's see what will happen. And both phones I'm trying to use the same Jio SIM card network, so same Jio network I'm trying to use in both phones. And you can see the bands, which phone is receiving what kind of band as well. Right now 1800 in the LTE, and the MI11X is receiving the, I think, LTE 2300. You can clearly see friends, 2300. You can see the difference between both phones, so different band. But let's see which phone has got how much type of speed. That is what I'll try to compare in this video friends. I'm ready to quickly start the speed test without wasting any kind of time. I just want to keep this video really very small. As you can see friends, I'm in the outdoor farming exactly, and it's kind of slightly outskirts of my city. I think more than 20 kilometers from my city. So you can see the speeds, how much I'm getting in the MI11X device at this point. Right now the MI11X device did get the 4G plus as well. Let me to slightly zoom in. As you can see friends, 58 Mbps it went up to 4G plus signal, and still the IQ7 did not receive any kind of 4G plus. So in this location, sometimes I will be getting 4G plus and sometimes I don't get 4G plus in the IQ7. It's not that consistent every time. So when I get the 4G plus, I used to get the speeds are up to I think 54 Mbps, but not much higher. So 54 and 60 Mbps only. But in the OnePlus 9R I did get about 100 Mbps of speeds. That's another video friends which I uploaded so before this. And you can see the IQ7 right now getting about 15 and 20 Mbps close to. So this is extreme type farming type testing I'm trying to do. So previously I did not do any of this kind of videos. So right now I decided to do this kind of videos to make aware a lot of people. So before actually buying the phone, they should know about the connectivity as well. So in case if you are a person who is living in the town and normal rural area, then definitely friends you should know all this kind of details. So which phone has got what kind of performance levels in terms of the speeds. So if you're in the metropolitan city, then don't need to worry at all friends. Obviously the IQ7 will perform really good, but in this kind of low signal mode areas, only then it will be struggling. I need to do the traveling test as well. Make sure to stay tuned for the traveling test which I'll be doing, traveling speed test which I'll be planning to do. So I'm not sure how this IQ7 will be behaving when I'm trying to travel. So it's reaching about 23 Mbps right now, and in the MI11X it's about 36 Mbps right now, as you can clearly see friends. And both phones are there receiving different kinds of bands. Let me try to show you the notification panel. That is what I'm trying to see. So 850 is receiving in the IQ7 device and 2300 in the MI11X device. So if the IQ7 gets the 2300 band, maybe the phone will be able to give this kind of high speeds. So that is what I was waiting for, that one. So 2300 band in the IQ7 device. So let's see friends what will happen, and these are the tests. And make sure to hit the subscribe button friends, and also do comment below what are your comments on this feedback on this one, this kind of testings. So definitely I'm doing my best to give you the complete idea about this kind of test. And let me try to quickly show you the notification panel. I did receive I think 2300, I think so. In the MI11X device it went up to 8. Both phones are 2300 only right now. So let's test the speed, how much the IQ7 can actually get the speeds. So that will be the really interesting test to see. And the IQ7, as you can see, it did reach up to 50 Mbps in the IQ7 device. If you get this kind of 2300 band, that is what. So you don't get 2300 band always in this phone. That is a quite drawback, little bit, but not much. Even if you get the 2300 band, but still the speeds are not that high when compared with the MI11X device. You can clearly see friends the difference. So this is what I'm going to show you friends, and this is a quick comparison between both phones. And for more this kind of unique kind of comparison, make sure to hit the subscribe button friends. And both phones are using the same Jio SIM and same kind of Jio server only I'm trying to use during this kind of testing. I'll try to do even the outdoor camera sample test as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So right now it's getting low speeds because I'm getting the 850 band in this MI11X device. That is the reason. And thank you for watching this video friends. And this extreme village type environment test, I was able to get the carrier aggregation in the MI11X device, not in the IQ7 smartphone. That is what the final conclusion is. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.